Oh, it's recording. It's like a video.
It's recording?
Yeah. Let's see how we look. Horrible.
That's my shirt. You can't really tell. Okay, let's take a walk barefoot. I have ribs. I think I could pass as a guy in this if I like put my hair in front of my face and put on a hat. Probably. Let's show the people where we're going.
We're going up there. Just kidding. Not barefoot.
You're completely barefoot. I have socks on.
What you got, boy?
It's hard to find. Let's see if Robert will answer if I call him. Let's see. My feet hurt. Gotta get out of this gravel. Go over in the grass. Let's go to the crib. Let's go in the crib. Crib. Who goes there? Ew. What? I should have zoomed in on it with the camera. Is this still recording? Yes, it is. Who goes there? I want to know. Let's leave a voicemail and act like we didn't know it was calling. Stick it in your pocket.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
I'm gonna yell. Oh my god, you almost stepped in crap. Oh my god, Chelsea, you almost stepped in crap.
Ew. Nasty.
It's okay. It's quiet.
This is where we're going. This is where I live.
That is a gravel road. Nudge,
Nudge, nudge.
nudge.
Do we have to walk? My feet are hurting.
Yes, we have to walk.
I don't wanna. She's making me walk. I don't wanna.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. Ew. No. Yes.
Gross, I didn't think you said yes. Ew. Wet. I was saying I was gonna fall out through a rock and run and like bust through a window.
We should do that and just take off running and then put it in the living room. Well, we'll be back with more videos. Later, haters.